Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube's. In today's video, we are going to learn about setup and configuration in Zoho Books. Before you start creating an invoice or recording a transaction, it's important to configure your organization correctly. So the proper setup help you to save the time. Now we are in the home page of Zoho Books. Now you can see a setting option. When I click on this, you can see a various option like organization setting. Under organization setting, we have a tab called setup and configuration. What is setup and configuration? It means customizing your Zoho Books according to your business requirement. Under setup and configuration, we have the various tabs like general, currencies, payment terms, opening balance, reminder, customer portal, vendor portal. First, I'm going to click on general. General, it is an option that help us to select the module that you like to enable. For example, in this you have quotation, sales order, delivery challan, purchase order, time tracking, invoice. For example, what the module it is required. For example, in sales department, quotation, sales order. For finance, expense, recurring invoices, all needed. So when you click on this enable option and you click on save on your business need, you can see this option. Now I'm going to click on next. Currencies. Currencies, it's mainly used to define what kind of an amount we are using. Here we have the various option like BND, CAD, dollar, euro. But our base currency is INR, Indian rupee. For example, if you wanted pounds, London pounds, but we don't have option, then we have to click on this blue option plus new currencies. Here you can select what the country code you need and what are the country symbol and their name and what a decimal place format, and here you click on save. That currency will be appear in this. Next option we have is payment terms. Payment terms, it is a simple rule. It is used to set about when and how the customer has to pay you. For example, a customer has purchased some item from you, but how we can reminder or remember the customer to pay their due amount? So that we have various option like you can view the due end of next month or due end of this month, or you can provide due on receipt, that is a default option, or you can provide after 15 days, 13 days, 45 days, 60 days. Here you can create a new option like 75 days. When you click on this plus term and we have to provide what is the team name, I will provide it as due of the of the month. Then I will provide due after 75 days. When you click on the save, you can see it will be appear here. But now I have already option, I don't want. Next, we have an option called opening balance. Opening balance, it is mainly a starting balance of your a business when you begin using Zoho Books. But your what are all the assets, liabilities, inventory, or customer balance, vendor balance that appear before you're using this Zoho, that all will be appearing in your opening balance in the Zoho Books. Next, we have an option called reminders. Reminder, it is used to provide the reminder for a customer. For example, a customer has purchased an item, but he has forgotten when he has to pay that amount. Then the sales team can use this to provide the reminder of an overdue invoice. By creating the reminder here, we can create plus new reminder on this. Then we have to go to sales team and we have to map the reminder to that. Next, we have customer portal. Customer portal, it is used very helpful for customer to view their own quotation or invoice or the status and approve whether customer had made the payment or not. That all the details regarding to the customer can be viewed using this customer portals. After providing all details, when you click on save, it will be saved. Next, we have a vendor portal. You can say, for example, here it is showing a portal name, YouTube's portal URL. For this is our company URL. For your company, you can create anything and you can provide any banner message. Then you can see we have a various option like notify me for every activity that take place in portal. For example, now vendor takes a item or provide item for us, then it will be notified here. Notify my vendor when I comment or reject a document. For example, you purchase some item from them, but there is some damage. When you provide any comment, when you click on this checkbox, then it will be notified automatically, then allowing the vendor to update their contact details in portal. In this, you're providing a permission for vendor to directly update your needs of the portal. Allow vendors to upload document. For example, you're providing permission for vendor to upload their any bills, invoice related, and allowing vendor to accept, reject or purchase order based on my company setting. For me, this based on your needs, you can enable what all the option we want. When you click on the save button, this all the option will be saved.